Have you ever found yourself sitting on the edge of your seat, staring at the real estate listings in your local newspaper, wondering if you should take the plunge and buy a home? Or maybe you're leaning towards renting, but you're not sure if it's the best option for you. The question of whether to rent or buy a home is one that plagues many of us, evoking feelings of uncertainty and fear. As a financial expert and real estate investor with more than 20 years of experience, I've seen the pros and cons of both renting and buying. From the grandeur of owning a sprawling mansion to the simplicity and flexibility of renting a cozy apartment, the decision is not as simple as it may seem. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 tips to help you make the best decision for your financial future and guide you through the process of renting versus buying a home. So sit back, relax, and prepare to unlock the secrets of the real estate world. As we delve deeper into the topic of renting versus buying, it is important to consider the financial aspect of each option. As a financial expert and experienced real estate investor, I have seen the pros and cons of both renting and buying when it comes to money. Allow me to paint a picture of one such scenario. Imagine a young couple, vibrant and full of dreams, who have just landed their first jobs out of college. They are eager to start their lives together and find their first home. They have heard the age-old adage, renting is throwing money away, and are determined to buy a home. They diligently save for a down payment and are finally able to purchase a small starter home. They are ecstatic and proud homeowners. But as the years pass, the couple's financial situation changes. They have children, and with that come additional expenses. They begin to feel the weight of their mortgage payments, property taxes, and maintenance costs. Their once manageable mortgage payment has now become a financial burden. They realize that the money they had saved for retirement and other investments has been drained by the cost of homeownership. This is just one example of the financial realities of buying a home. It's not to say that buying is a bad choice, but it's important to weigh the cost and benefits before making a decision. In the next act, we will explore the financial benefits of renting and how it may be the better option for some. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the rental versus buying debate. A new and unexpected fact arises. As it turns out, for many people, renting may actually be the smarter financial decision. Allow me to paint a picture for you, dear audience. Imagine a young couple, fresh out of college and eager to start their lives together. They only have a small amount of money, and the idea of a 30-year mortgage scares them. They begin to weigh their options and soon realize that, by renting, they can save a significant amount of money in the long run. You see, when you rent, you are not responsible for maintenance costs, property taxes, or the potential for market value depreciation. These hidden costs can add up quickly and eat into any potential profit from buying a home. But it's not just young couples who can benefit from renting. Take, for example, the luxurious penthouse apartment I rented for a year during my time in the bustling metropolis of New York City. It was a luxurious room with windows from floor to ceiling that gave a great view of the city skyline. And while I couldn't afford to buy such a property outright, I was able to enjoy all of its splendor by renting. The option to rent offers a level of flexibility and freedom that buying simply can't match. You're not tied down to one location and can easily adapt to changes in your life or career. It's a decision that should not be made lightly, but one that is worth considering in today's ever-evolving real estate market. As we come to the end of our journey through the complex world of renting versus buying, it's important to remember the key takeaways. Before making a choice, it's important to understand your own financial situation and goals. Are you looking for short-term flexibility or long-term security? Are you looking to invest in property or simply find a place to call home? Secondly, don't be swayed by the allure of the American dream. As we saw in our story about the young couple, owning a home isn't always the best choice for everyone. And finally, don't be afraid to seek professional advice. As a licensed financial advisor with decades of experience, I can attest to the fact that a little guidance can go a long way in helping you make the best decision for you and your future. So there you have it, 5 tips for navigating the ever-changing landscape of renting versus buying. Remember, it's not about what's popular or trendy, it's about what's best for you and your financial well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert advice on all things finance.